Y'all really gotta trust me on this one. Here I have a 26-inch 13x4 or 13x6 body wave. I'm not sure, but I will put it on the screen. And let's start off by saying that the lace is always a 10 out of 10. While I do have to bleach and pluck the knots, that is optional. I do recommend plucking, but bleaching is optional. Not to mention, every lace that I've gotten from this company has always been a 10 out of 10. Like, it melts so seamlessly. And with any lace, you want to make sure that you're pressing the hair into the glue. And just to make it easier, I like to cut 3 slits before I go in with my razor. And you do want to be careful doing that. You want to cut slow just to make sure that you aren't cutting yourself. And honestly, with this wig, I didn't even need to double melt. Now, this video just was to show you guys how I laid my lace down and melted it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and prep for styling. And because it's a lot of parting space, I did a really deep side part. As always, I like to part in sections just to make sure that it's as flat as possible before I go in and part and curl my edges. And my new method for molding edges is a little bit of hairspray and then mousse, just so that it's more controlled. And this is all that we'll be doing for part 1. But get into the lace. Wig will be linked above the caption and my bio.